This is the story of Super Rock, a rock superhero who's going to undergo some changes. Let's read the story. My name is Super Rock. I am a superhero who's made up all of rocks. When I was a baby, I was named Magma. I was hot, melted rock under the earth. I wanted to come out and see the world, so I escaped out of a volcano. I got bored being just magma, so I decided to change myself. I wanted to be hard and strong like a real superhero, so I changed myself into igneous rock. It was fun. Now I was one of the strongest, hardest rocks around. The evil supervillain Dr. Weather had heard how strong I was and sent lots of wind and rain to wear me down. I tried to fight, but the rain and wind were too strong. It wore me down until I turned into sediment. What Dr. Weather didn't know was that I had another superpower. It was transformation. I used all my concentration and turned myself into a new rock, a sedimentary rock. Now that I had gotten so good at my superpower transformation, I decided to change again. This time I morphed myself into a metamorphic rock. I loved being a strong, hard rock, but sometimes I miss being magma when I was melted and I could move and flow. I decided to change myself yet again. I used my heating powers and melted myself back to magma. Now that I am magma, I can make myself into lots of different shapes. I am such a strong rock superhero. Now that I know how to make myself into so many types of rocks, I may choose to change forms. Here is a picture of all the forms I can choose to take. I decided I needed to name my journey. I will call it the rock cycle. The next time you see a rock, try to guess what form I am in.